Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding the derivative of a quotient is actually super fast once you know the trick. Let's solve this calculus problem together in just 60 seconds. First, we need the quotient rule formula, which is low d high minus high d low over low squared. We will apply this to our functions f and g at x equals 2. Now look at the table to find the specific values for f, g, and their derivatives. Plug in 4, -3, 2, and 1 into our formula to get the numbers. Multiply to get -14 minus 0 over 4. This simplifies to -7/2, meaning option A is the final answer.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.